you.
Nobody got bean?
There's a lot of snow here.
It's heavy.
It'll be heavier today.
You think? It seems pretty light.
I just skied a run.
Oh. How? The lift's just open.
I have the early pass.
Oh, okay.
The wind and the combination, it's heavier than we normally like. But it'll be just fine.
Right.
Because
exactly.
you know it's a different sport when there's more than 6 inches, right?
Of course.
Good.
That could be.
I just heard the other day.
Yeah, later.
So we're going to the Bulls.
I have a friend, acquaintance who was there.
It's like the backside, yeah.
Okay.
If you go up and you go to the left, you take Sierra, or no, you go up and then you go immediately to the left. You go on Rendezvous, and Rendezvous takes you to the back.
Nice.
Then you go up.
I mean, I just can't imagine what you do.
I don't know. You go down, you take the
It
triple
was just
up.
one of those, you know.
Yeah,
sort of-
no,
I know. You're just kind of
Cool.
and it never goes away.
And hopefully I won't be tracked out.
How's it going? Things settling?
Yeah, I hope it won't be tracked out either.
I'm trying to figure out ways to put more distance.
Well,
It's helping to use the guest room. That's all.
yeah, I mean, I think that's the key. If you just can't get
Is our Castle Rock friend here today?
no, I have not seen her. She probably couldn't get
This is
here. I
gonna be
didn't
a
see her
fucking
yesterday.
rally and a half.
I'll have to find
Yeah.
out what's going on.
Yeah, the Smart Fox would have come up
It's
yesterday.
gonna be
And
7 days in a row.
Position for success here.
for skiing.
7
So,
days in a
yeah,
row for skiing.
difficulty.
I think just,
Yeah.
if you just have this separate, and then
Thursday to
say,
Thursday.
we're just going to be friends. We can share meals.
Because I have a comp
You can
tomorrow
do your own,
in
go
New
out,
Mexico,
see
like at
people.
Taos. It's
Well, and-
tomorrow.
And again,
Yeah.
totally apologize on that. That was what I was trying to
I'm so
reinforce. Was,
tired.
Yeah, I know.
I'm going to go do my thing. And
How many days are you?
thinking
How many
maybe
days are
that
you in
can-
Taos for?
So we'll see.
Or
4.
There's no
Well, like
traffic,
tonight.
So it's easy.
comp Monday,
Who are you going to see?
not Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday comp.
I
Leave
got to
Friday
figure out
morning.
when she's leaving. Cause I think-
Tuesday.
Is it
So-
Tuesday
Tuesday
day?
morning.
Tuesday
7:30.
morning.
7:30.
And then my other friend, I don't know if you have figured out who she is, but
The one in
Barbara.
red?
Already, yeah. She's significant.
Okay, we're bouncing so.
And again, that's fine.
That is a straight slalom course.
How do you even
Dang.
carve in that? There's like powder on it.
Yeah.
I think that ends up being for the Special Olympics, doesn't it?
Oh, I did see a sign that
Yeah.
that was for the Special Olympics.
I would bet you at least 2 or 3 beers. That's Special Olympics.
Where are you guys from?
NASCAR, on Copperopolis, that run was open yesterday for anybody who wanted to go through it.
You gotta pay $10
No,
for NASCAR.
I don't think so.
Oh, they usually make you pay.
Not if you don't stop.
That's true.
I want to say, that one I'll bet you 1 beer. Tracy did it with Blue Boat the other day, and I don't believe they paid a nickel.
Oh, that's nice. We're from the East Coast.
Where?
Sunday
Like
River.
Massachusetts.
Ah,
Where are you from?
we live here for the winter, and we're professional ski bums.
Oh, me
We're
too.
retired. That's what we do.
I live out here too now. So
Where's here?
Boulder.
Okay.
I go to CU.
Okay.
Oh, good for you.
So I'm just hanging out.
What are you studying?
Political science.
Hollyside.
What do you do with it?
Well.
What
I
would
don't
you
know
like
yet.
to do with
Ask
it?
me in 5 years. Lawyer. I'm on the pre-law track currently, but that's subject to change. I have like a focus in international affairs,
Uh-huh.
so I'm taking like international development, USAID,
Would
United
you go
Nations.
into the U.S. ambassador program?
That's another option, yeah. It's kind of all things that I'm interested in. Like that's
Yeah.
definitely something I'm interested in.
Yeah.
But I don't really know. So
Are you gifted with languages?
no, not at all. I wish. I took French for like 4 years in high school, and I don't think it's all gone by now. Yeah, I'm definitely not.
Well, you just filed it in a place in your head. You just don't know where that file is. It'll come back.
It's franglais is what I like to call it. It's not definitely not
I
up to
have
par.
several friends in the ambassador program, and the people who really advance are the ones that are gifted with languages.
Oh yeah, well definitely it gives you such a leg up.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I think I missed my window when I was 2. My parents should have raised me to be fluent. It's all their fault.
Yeah.
So where are you from originally?
My business career was Northern Virginia, but my father was military, so I traveled first grade, 10th grade every year.
Whoa.
Different state and or country.
What was your favorite place?
Korea. I did my freshman year of high school in Seoul, Korea.
Wow.
Absolutely my favorite.
Mm.
I should have stayed in the school instead of come back. It's a much better program than the American.
What was so special about Korea? What was the favorite thing about it?
The people, the history, the school was a very positive environment. It was all about, the competition to succeed rather than being put down if you were a good student. It was just, and it was so different from Western philosophy that it was eye-opening and extremely broadening to see how a whole different region of the world thinks, perceives,
Yeah.
and values.
Yeah.
And
I
they were
just
good people, hard working.
I just studied abroad in South Africa, and I went to the University of Cape Town for a semester, so I like kind of had that same experience where you learn from like a whole different perspective, and it's crazy, but it's so insightful and eye-opening, and I loved it, and I did not want to come back.
We're going to Cape Town August 26th for 3 weeks. It includes a 7-day safari.
Whoa, where? Do you know where?
But I forget the name of it. So you drive up what I would call the East Coast, and then it goes 2 hours in.
Okay, I know exactly what you're talking about. It's the garden route?
Yeah.
Yeah. I know exactly what you're talking about. So it's so fun. That's the dead of winter, though. End of August is the dead of winter. Sorry,
Yeah,
what?
No worries. Do you guys know about the Canadian towers we have here on this lift?
No, I don't.
So this is 22, and the next one is 22A.
Hey.
No way.
I get
That's
it.
so funny.
They had to put this in because when it was originally installed, there weren't enough towers.
There's two. Is it an 18A?
I think it's 18A.
There's a big fight between Copper and the people who were installing the lift.
Who won the fight, by the way?
Why?
The people installing the lift.
What was the fight?
Well, Copper didn't want to do what they wanted. They wanted to leave out a lift tower because it was in the middle of the run, and the company doing the install said you can, and Copper said we can. They put it up, and then a year later they had to come back and add 2 towers because it didn't work. You could actually hit the ground.
And I'm told
my
this
God.
is the longest lift in the state of Colorado.
Really?
Really?
Like longest time on the chairlift, or like longest distance covered?
I think the distance. The cable is the longest cable.
Oh, interesting. It doesn't feel that long.
If you want to see something neat, go to YouTube and look up splicing ski cable. Neat, but it goes through everything just fine. And the tension on the cable pulls it tight so it can't slip.
You got that? You're gonna watch a YouTube video on that later?
I'm going to be an expert on rope splicing soon.
He's a big chairlift guy.
Yeah,
It's a big one.
Big chairlift guy.
Yeah, it's one I'm filming right now for
Well,
chairlift.
and I'll also share at the end of the day, when you have at least one more run in you, you stop over here at Flyers and you have a cold one. Just one. Right here.
Oh, nice.
At the end of the day, I'll pass by that and it's bumping.
Yeah.
It gets pretty packed.
So you're living out here now?
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
So what year?
I'm a junior, so I'm 21.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's nice.
Well, have a good day.
Our family has multiple CU bachelor's and master's degrees.
Oh, no way. Go bus.
For sure. My bonus daughters.
We're going straight.
Yes. My bonus daughters. Small guy, ambassador.
No, I don't know, Mike.
So it's me, Mikey, and Jameson. And Jameson's kind of half looking at the camera with his big grin on his face. And it's like,
Well, he skied this year on Oxy,
yes.
but
Which
he's
is
not
so cool.
He's not in OHG,
Okay.
which is a bummer. Yeah, we have a guy who skis 91 years old on Oxy.
That's crazy.
Isn't that crazy cool?
We have a bunch of people in 80, 81, 82.
That's how I want to do it.